Hey guys, welcome back. So this playlist page is pretty much finished. All we need to do is hook this delete playlist button up to an action. So go back to script.js and we're going to write a function fairly similar to what we did with the create playlist function. It's going to be a function called delete playlist. So function delete playlist. And this is going to take a parameter and it's going to be playlist ID. So the ID of the playlist we want to delete. And we're going to use something similar to this prompt, in the sense that it's a built-in kind of alert dialog. So we're going to say var prompt equals confirm, and then just the message to show. And we can just say, are you sure you want to delete this playlist, with a question mark. Are you sure you want to delete this playlist? And underneath that, we can just say if prompt equals true. Obviously this equals true isn't needed. We can have that, that's fine. Again, I explain this every time, but while you learn, you can keep it like that if you want. So if prompt is true, console.log delete playlist. So let's go and hook this up to our button now. So copy the name of that function and we're going to add it to the button in playlist.php. So scroll up and you'll find the button here which deletes the playlist. Let's add it as an on-click here. So on-click equals, and paste the name in there, and just put any number in there because that's the playlist ID. But we're not using it, so just stick it in there for now and we'll check it works. So refresh the page, and hopefully when we press delete playlist, we see this prompt. If I click cancel, nothing happens. So I'll check the console, and just to show you again, nothing happens. If I click OK, it knows that OK was pressed. So all we need to do in here is just make one AJAX call, which will go to a file which just deletes the playlist. We do something very similar up here in the create playlist function. So we can actually copy this whole AJAX call from the create playlist function if you want. So copy that, and then replace this console.log there, and paste it in there. And then instead of create playlist, it's going to be linking to a file called delete playlists. Obviously we haven't created that yet. And then the parameters, we don't need a name or a username, so delete those two. We just need to pass playlist ID, and that's going to be playlist ID right there. And then the done part, we can keep this because remember that lets us know if there are any problems on this page, so keep that there. And then this part can stay the same as well. Just go back to your music page. So if we delete this playlist, it will take us back to the playlists page, alright? So all that's left to do now is just to create this file which will do the delete for us.